in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here?
I don't know what it is, but it's phenomenal.
All right, people, we're going to try something a little different today.
I cannot solve your problem, sir. Only you can.
Am I missing something?
You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers? I want the truth! You can't handle the truth!
Don't mess with the bull, young man. You'll get the horns.
The reality is, humans are humans are humans, and that's never going to end.
No, I do mind. The dude minds. This will not stand.
It's a big, big deal.
Hello. You speak English, sir? Parlo usted English?
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
I've done the math on this. We've talked about it on this show before. That's a fact.
You'll learn a little something about yourself.
That's us, dude.
That's why we're radio show hosts.
That's right.
I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad. The dollar buys a nickel's worth. Shopkeepers keep a gun under the counter. Punks are running wild in the street, and there's nobody anywhere who seems to know what to do, and there's no end to it. It's like everything everywhere is going crazy. I don't want you to protest. I don't want you to riot. I don't want you to write to your congressman because I wouldn't know what to tell you to write. I don't know what to do about inflation and the Russians and the crime in the street. All I know is that first, you've got to get mad.
Let's do this.
Discussing issues that matter to you. Finding real answers using logic and reason. KLZ 560 presents Rush to Reason. Now, here's your host, John Rush.
And I'm your host, John Rush, Rush to Reason, KLZ 560. Dan Tanner in for Dan Meurer. Kurt Rogers now for our Monday Mortgage Minute. Kurt, welcome. What's going on?
Not a whole lot, guys. How are you doing?
We are doing very, very well. Did you have a good weekend?
Had a great weekend, especially yesterday afternoon watching the Cowboys get smoked.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. That's actually pretty good.
That's pretty great.
It's a good day. It's a good day. So, question. A lot of folks out there still looking at refinancing. How many actually are?
Actually, you'd be surprised how much. And one of the reasons, John, as you know, the homes in Colorado have appreciated 8, 10, 11, 12% over the last 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what that does is takes a $300,000 house and now makes it $380,000, $390,000.
Right.
So we're seeing a lot of people wanting to pull that cash out to either pay off debt, refinance, lower their payments. The main thing they're doing is home improvement because they can't find another house that's as nice as yours or as big as theirs. It's not $500,000.
Got it.
So they're just taking the cash out and making their house a lot nicer.
And that can all be done with a refi?
It's being done a lot with refi. It just saves you a whole lot of money. There's not near as many fees. There's no commissions when you're trying to buy, and you're able to improve the value of your house. So every dollar you spend, anywhere from 40 to 60% of that is going right to the value of your home. So all you're doing is you're making it much nicer and saving a lot of money.
Plus, get to live in it. Plus, live
us.
in a nicer house at the same time.
Yes.
Got it. Okay, what about your special? You talked about that last week. We just brushed over it briefly. Tell us about your special.
Okay, we still have a special. Anyone who does a loan with us and signs up by the end of the month will get a $300 gift card for either Home Depot, Lowe's, or your favorite Bed Bath & Beyond.
Yep.
And at the end of the event, we're going to draw one name out of a bowl, and that person will either get $1,000 in cash or 3 nights in Breckenridge or a 55-inch TV.
That sounds like a good deal. So who do they need to call to get that going?
720-895-0500, or they can go to our website at aimortgage.net.
All right, Kurt Rogers, our Monday Mortgage Minute. It's always a joy, Kurt. Have a fantastic week.